1, 2, 3, 4. You've got magic in your eyes, little one, and a smile that is brighter than the moon. You've got everything that you need inside of you already, and so much love surrounding you. The world can be a wobbly place. You'll go up, down, turn around and start all over again. You might find some trouble, but know that these things are always true. I've got her, she's got me, and we've got you. There is healing in your laughter, little one.
Take my hand, pull me from my home, and understand that I can't do this alone. If my gold fingertips are too much for your warm light, then you don't have to hold my hand, and I don't have to understand. Don't feel the need to lie to yourself today, because you knew it was gonna end up this way. But if you wanna comfort me with your lies, you can look me in the eyes and tell me you feel butterflies.
Hey everyone, so we just got home and I just fixed myself up, and I also want to do a quick grocery haul with the things that we bought from the supermarket, because first, we already stocked up for Christmas kasi ayaw namin ma-hassle, and at the same time, at least makakatipid kami since wala pa atang 1 month bago mag-Christmas. But ayun, we usually do these things kasi every year, yung parang a couple of weeks bago mag-Christmas, nagsistock up na talaga kami para hindi isang bagsakan. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. The first one I have here is this rice bag, the Sinodome Golden Grain Special. It's so freaking huge. Ayan siya. Got a couple of chips kasi mahilig kami sa mga junk foods. I know it's bad, but minsan lang naman, like siguro mga once or twice a week lang kami kumakain ng mga junk foods. that, we have this piatos and mangwan. Sobrang sarap nito. I swear to God, guys. Nung natikman ko to, I was not expecting too much kasi di ba pag mangwan instant na ang alat talaga. Pero may one time kasi na nag-crave ako for chicken skin. Parang lately kasi di ba mahirap na maghanap ng chicken skin outside. So I found this one sa supermarket. Sobrang love ko to. I mean, palagi kami nag-grocery syempre weekly ganyan. And ito talaga binibili ko. Sobrang guilty pleasure ko to, guys. I swear, you guys should try this. Tapos samahan mo ng suka. Ang sarap niya, promise. Like, hindi na kayo maghahanap ng chicken skin pa outside. At the same time, diba, medyo mas clean siya kaysa dun sa usual na chicken skin na nabibili natin outside. So, ayun, we just got some junkies. I also bought some lemon square cheesecake because this never fails. Sobrang favorite namin ito ng kapatid ko. Kahit ang tandaan na namin, ito pa din talaga hinahanap namin na snack. Like, pag nagugutom kami sa hapon, ganyan. Ito pa rin yung lagi namin hinahanap. So, we love you so much. Lagi namin binibili yung assorted na cupcakes para at least iba-iba yung flavors. Of course, hindi mawawala yung Yakult. We love some good Yakult, you guys. This is such a staple pag mag-grocery shopping tayo. Alam niyo yan. Some corned beef, we always buy this Pure Foods kasi ayaw namin ng ibang mga brand. Kasi usually, pag yung ibang brand, it's either masyadong maalat or masyadong malabnaw. But for us, Pure Foods talaga is the bomb. Also, we have these lunch and eat from La Filipina. Sobrang sarap din ito. So, pag kunyari tinatamad kami magluto, we just cook these canned foods and we're already good to go. And this one is the Figaro Black Olives for pasta for Christmas. Also, we have some dato puti, patis, and this one, soy sauce. Also bought some banana ketchup. We love these good ketchup so much. From UFC, got some kimchi. I wanna do some kimchi rice these days, siguro tomorrow sa midnight. Kasi favorite namin to na niluluto every midnight, like midnight snack naman. Sobrang sarap kasi niya. And madali din gawin at the same time. So, mabubusog ka din talaga syempre because it's rice. So, ayan. I love this one. Bought some coffee. This is it for me. This is for my family kasi hindi ako nagkakape ng mga coffee mate. And we have some soya. This is for me and my brother. Super duper favorite namin itong Vitamilk. As usual na binibili namin to kapag nag-grocery kami kasi ang sarap talaga niya. At the same time, sobrang bubusog na talaga agad. And then, we also have these Italian spaghetti sauce for the pasta for Christmas as well. Pili kami kumain ng mga pancit canton and bihon. Like, every week ata kami kumakain. So, alam niya, sobrang haba na ng buhay namin mga sis. Pero yun, staple din sa amin ito kapag nag-grocery kami. Also bought some milk. Ever since I was a kid, ito na yung binibili namin ng milk. Bought this outside. Yung mga nagtitinda ng mga peanut, yung mga nasa short na nagtitinda, doon namin sila binibili. Every after meal, kapag hindi ako nabubusog, as in, kumakain ako ng isang bread with this peanut butter and instantly nabubusog na ako. Bought these all-purpose cream from Magnolia. This is also for Christmas para sa fruit salad. Yeah, fruit salad or mango graham, either way, pwede siyang gamitin. Got some baby potatoes. And then, these ones, condensada for Christmas. And some mushroom. Before, hindi talaga ako kumakain ng mushroom. Pero this pandemic, natuto ko kumain ng mushroom. Ang sarap pala kasi niya. Got some tissue for the bathroom. And more tissue. Paper towel for the house. everyone, good afternoon. So I just realized that I wasn't able to film an intro yesterday, but we were just at VIP Lounge. I was with my mom and we had our pamper session, and I finally decided to have my hair cut shorter. If you haven't watched the vlog that I did from a few weeks ago, I'll try to insert the thumbnail over here. I mentioned it there that I will be going to my hairdresser to have my hair cut short and shaped, and so it's finally done. Honestly, hindi ako rin masyadong sanay with how I look right now, probably because this is the shortest hair I've ever had my entire life. Nagpapa-short hair ako. It's either above my shoulders, or on my kilikili area lang. Pero hindi umaabot talaga na above my neck. So, super ikli talaga niya. But ayan, this is how it looks. I'll try to insert a picture. Over here, I just grabbed this inspiration from Pinterest. So, it's like a pixie or bob cut. I'm not quite sure. And then, nagpa-add lang ako ng curtain bangs. I'm not quite used to what I look right now, but it is what it is. Wala na tayong magagawa. Today, our agenda is I will be doing some cardio workout, and also I will be watering my snake plant. I'm so excited to show you my current state of snake plant. If you're a beginner plant mom like me, I really suggest for you to get these kinds, yung mga snake plant, kasi sobrang low maintenance niya. Nagugulat ako na they're all thriving. I'm not even kidding. As in, sobrang daming tumutubo ng mga baby plant. Hindi nila kailangan ng direct sunlight. Kailangan nila ng low light. Even nasa loob na lang siya ng room, solid green talaga siya. So, I know that it's really healthy. But ayun, I'm so excited to share that to you later on. So, let's go ahead and start our day. OMG, ngayon ko lang nakita to. Pero grabe, dalawa na yung tumubo. Na hindi dun sa original place. Ayun, sobrang laki na niya and pure green talaga siya. It's really thriving. Sobrang nakaka-happy. But ito yung minimension ko last time. Isa lang siya. Pero ngayon, ayun. Ang cute. Grabe. Sobrang daming baby. They're so tiny. I'm so happy. Yay! I'm just gonna get some water. Ito yung pang water ko. I bought this from Shopee. Let's go downstairs. Ano ba? Bakit naman may nakikisingit dito?
Really doesn't matter when I split, 'cause my heroes ain't making it past 26. Really doesn't matter if you know when the masses with your actions, then you lose your soul. I'm hoping you say something. I keep on just feeling it's nothing. Wanna make you mine, something. These drugs don't really solve nothing. I'm hoping you say something. I keep on just feeling it's nothing. Wanna make you mine, something. These drugs don't really solve nothing.
Drive my vibe, feel alive. Tell my mind Whatever. I don't care if he knows I don't like him. He can go fuck himself.
Fuck life, let's dance. I don't care what Johnny's haters think of me.
Whatever.
Let's